Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is November 27, 2024, and this is my weekly market review. We're reviewing S&P 500, that's SPY, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading. So please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, let's jump over here to the charts and see what we see. Maximize this and resize that. And as we can see, the SPY is still trading below that yearly R3 level. It's still above. Well, it has a new high of 601. It did make a new high this week. We'll be taking a look at that. And as we can see on this quarterly chart, we still have higher highs and higher lows. So we're still looking very bullish here. Let's go down to this monthly chart. On this monthly chart, we can see here the main thing is that we are still above the 9-10 moving average. We are getting a bit extended. So you got to start being cautious about that. We can see now on this quarterly chart, we are above, let me show you quarterly pivots and all, we are above an R1 level and all, and look like we may be able to reach, no, we only, this quarter, by the end of the year, this thing look like it probably will be over 610 or higher. It's like it wants to go to an R2 level. I have to kind of like wait and see. Because again, if these are quarterly pivots and it's this early in the quarter, we still have one more month to go. This early in the quarter, we almost through with the quarter, but we got one more month to go. It looks like it'll be not out of the question, out of the picture for this thing to get up past an R2 level at all. That's what I see there. Let's go down to the weekly chart and see what we see there. On the weekly chart, zoom in just a little bit here. On the weekly chart, as we can see today, this was a short week and all, but we did make a new high. Usually the volume is kind of low. I don't show volume on my chart. Volume is usually kind of slow for these last 3 days that the market was actually open and all. But we did make a new high this week, 601.33 and all. We have pulled back off that and all. And on these monthly pivots, this is the end of the month and all. As you can see, we almost reached an R3 level. This is what I was saying earlier after we had this big push on the whole election thing coming up here. But as I said, it's very seldom do we actually cross an R3 level. For those of you who will know what I may be talking about that, there's certain trading strategies where that line would be significant to you at all. But that's what I see here. And all, let's go down to the daily chart. And on the daily chart, what we see here, since it was just 3 days now, we did gap up pretty big on Monday and all for this holiday week. We made a higher high, made a new all-time high on Tuesday, and today we opened close to that high and all, but we just kind of sold off all day and pulled back a little bit. We are at this time on this daily picture, we have a lower high and a lower low, so be careful. This thing may want to turn over, and this is kind of like almost like a bearish harami up here at the top in the right location. So again, any long trades that you have at this time, based on your trading strategy and your trading plan, you should have a stop in place and all, or taking some profit off the table. And that's what I see here on the SPY. And that's all I really want to share at this time. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys have a happy Thanksgiving, those who are celebrating Thanksgiving. And I'll talk to you next week. Have a good one.